Well, we're back with another part on how to get, what is this, part 3 now? So we're essentially trying to get signed code to run on the Xbox DVT development kit, DVT4. So I've gone ahead and just copied across as an example, Unleash X. So when you try and run that, you get that nice little error. Probably because it's signed. So what we want to do is download an app, run it on our Windows 7 machine, or virtual machine in this case, called Yellow Neighborhood. And at the moment it's up to version 10. Will it be updated? I don't know. So that's a window that's frozen. It's not the most stable of apps, as you'll find out. That's Unleash X, I don't want that. So you pretty much just open the application. No Xbox connection. You can do auto discover. It seems to be pretty reliable when you do that. It'll pop up this. And you ignore it. And here you are. So then it's pretty simple as far as anything else is concerned. We try not to crash the app, so don't click any of the menus because it just loves to crash. We grab this, which you can probably find floating around on the internet as a RAR. And we've got these two files here. And if we have a look through the README, which I was just doing because I'd forgotten, essentially, you just copy them into the DXT directory on the E drive. So if we head back to Yellow Neighborhood, E drive, there's my apps folder I created for Unleash X. I don't know if I should put it there. And here's the DXT folder. So about the only thing that works on here is drag and drop. And it doesn't always work. So grab your two files, drag and drop, and then that's across. It's that simple. What was the next thing I need to do? Just restart? Maybe it'll just work. Oh no, it should show up a volume B, which in this thing. So if I close this off, I wish I could close this or it just sits there. Nothing there yet, so I must need to restart. So if I head over here, oh, power button. Yeah, I guess that'll do it. And dumps it back in here, which is excellent. Go over here, maybe the refresh button will work. Yep, third time's a charm. Yeah, there's the B partition. Ah, it gives us access to the dev kit folder. Interesting. Looks like there's some shortcuts in use there because that seems to just go back around. Yeah. Okay. So that's that done. So now what should happen, I'm pretty sure, those two files essentially let you have access to the, I guess, B partition, which I'm led to believe is similar to an E partition on a regular soft modded Xbox. And we should be able to run signed code. Maybe not. Maybe there's a step I'm still missing. Maybe I've got them in the wrong folder. Gosh, it likes to lose that connection quickly. Probably because I opened the app. So we're in the apps folder. In the apps folder. I'm gonna get rid of them. There's no context menus here. So all just good luck. Get rid of the apps directory. And then I'm going to put things in the B folder in DevKit, where I should have probably been putting them to begin with. So if I go around and find Unleash X. Now I won't be happy copying all that across. It does like to crash on certain file types, I've noticed. We can make a new folder though. And it comes up under partitions, but if you just do a refresh, it fixes it, which is nice. So I need default XBE. Maybe the config, maybe English. Oh, didn't like that. I got two busted windows in the background. Okay. Well, we'll just ignore them for now. Head back over here. Doesn't like loading that at all. It's probably a step I'm missing. I'll be right back in one moment. You can never have enough yellow neighborhoods open. Hello. So where I put Xbox ROM.bin in the DXT folder, gosh, I'm such a goose. It actually needs to go in the B drive. Where in the B drive? Well, let's have a look at the README, which probably explains everything. Reboot your Xbox, open the neighborhood, and you should see volume B in the root. Open it and put Xbox ROM.bin. It's just a problem with reading instructions. That's fine. So just drag and drop. And that's in there. And now if we head back over, don't know if I need to reboot it. Probably need to reboot it. Pretty sure I had Unleash X opening before. Yep, that did it. Okay, and then you're in Unleash X, and you're welcome to rejigger all the things. I hate this skin. Green shapes, that's where it's at. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. So then it's just a matter of going to network. No current IP. See, it wants static. I want DHCP. And to restart. It's fine. It's going to restart anyway. Maybe I could get away with just restarting the network. No, I cannot. How do you restart? I know there's a way to... There it is. Oh. Just dump it back out here. That's alright. That's not too bad. Hopefully it'll Not need any more restarting. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I like this skin now. Yeah, I like this skin. Not. I like my text all in caps and very difficult to read while running over component. Okay, so now we've got an IP address over DHCP. So we can actually just pretty much copy across games, and that's just about it. So you do that over FTP. Pretty standard, and everything should be well. So it's that Xbox boot.bin that allows you to play signed code. And the other thing just opens up the B drive. I don't actually have any games on here. No. Oh well, but that's how it's done. So, thank you. We're not done yet. Stay tuned for part 4, where we unlock the power of the F drive. Remembering we just put a bigger hard drive in here, 120 gigabytes, not this measly 4.8 gigabyte. So I guess we'll fire up some Xbox Partitioner and similar such programs. Stay tuned.